Dr. Benheim. I am the medical director of Physimed Medispa, and today I will talk to you about the problem of snoring. As you know, many people snore. We see as well males and females, and it's a real problem for our mates. And in the past, we tried to help our patients with snoring, but we didn't have real concrete results. Up until now, we are able to help our patients with a new device, which is a laser that you are seeing right here, which essentially helps us to treat the back of the mouth and the beginning of the throat, whereby we are creating a tightening of the soft palate and opening up the passage of the air so that we get rid of the turbulence that is created in the passage of air through our airway. So that way you either stop snoring or diminish greatly your snoring so that your mate can have a good night's sleep. So take a look at the following little video clip of the testimonial of one of my patients that I treated with this laser. And at the end of that, you will see also another short video clip on how this laser works. So if we can help you with this, pay attention to the following videos. Hello, Mr. Zoulakis.
Dr.
Thank
Benheim.
you very much for coming to give us your testimonial.
My pleasure.
So a few weeks ago, you came to see me complaining of snoring. Eh? So tell me about it.
But it wasn't me that's complaining, really. It was my wife. It's apparently I was snoring a lot, and something had to be done about it.
So over the years, have you tried something to alleviate the snoring?
I tried many things. I tried some breathe rights. I tried some different sprays in the mouth, but apparently nothing's helped.
So I spoke to you about the laser treatment.
Yes.
I told you that it comes in 3 treatments.
Yes.
And so far you've had 2 treatments. Tell me how you behaved and felt since.
Well, after the first treatment, we already noticed, my wife noticed a big difference. I hardly snored. The second treatment, though, was the one that was like, I slept, it was fantastic. It was like a miracle. My wife had to check me to see if I was alive. That's how much I didn't snore at all. It was great.
It's terrific. And aside from the snoring itself, did it help you in terms of sleeping better? Tell me about your sleep.
Oh yeah, sleeping. I haven't slept this well in a long time. I slept like a baby. I was more energized during the day. It was fantastic.
Thank you for that. And was the treatment painful, or did it give you any discomfort?
No, not at all. It was very tolerable. A little bit of heat sensation, but other than that, very comfortable.
On a scale from 0 to 10, 10 being the worst kind of pain.
Oh, I would say 2 maximum.
Mr. Zoulakis, I wish you great luck.
Dr. Benheim, thank you very much. Thank you.
And we'll see you soon.
Thank you.